Hi friends, this is CATIA Tutorials session 3. In this session we see Sketcher Workbench, includes about Sketcher, Sketcher user interface, sketching process and profile tool. First topic is about Sketcher. Sketcher enables you to create parametric, planar geometry on faces and planes. Parametric geometry is a technology that is used for designing with constraints, which are relationships and restrictions applied to geometry. It also maintains design intent of your geometry. Next topic is Sketcher user interface. First step, we open Sketcher Workbench. To open, click on Sketcher icon or select in menu bar. Then select plane. To open, click on Sketcher icon. Also select in menu bar. Then select plane to create sketch. First we discuss about graphical user interface of CATIA Sketcher. This is Sketcher Workbench icon.
This icon is Exit Workbench. After complete the sketch, click this icon to go to Part Design.
This is Select tool. This tool includes various selection tools such as rectangular, polygon, freehand selection, etc.
This is Constraints toolbar. This toolbar includes geometrical and dimensional constraints tools. Profile toolbar includes lot of drawing tools such as line, circle, arc, rectangle. Operation toolbar includes modifying tools such as corner, chamfer, trim, mirror. Next one is Sketch Tools toolbar. This toolbar enables you to automatically create constraints, and it changes to display the coordinates, lengths, and other information in the context of command you are using. Active tool highlighted in orange color. Active cursor indicates here. This is geometry. Green color indicates fully constrained geometry. White color indicates no constrained or partially constrained geometry. Geometric constraints are used to control the shape of the objects. Example: horizontal, vertical. Also controls relationships of objects in respect to each other. Example: parallel, perpendicular, coincident, tangent, etc. Geometrical constraints are usually given automatically by the software. Dimensional constraints are used to control the distance, angle, radius, and length values of objects. With constraints you can include formulas and equations within dimensional constraints.
To enable or disable toolbars, go to View menu and Toolbars and select Toolbars. Select and drag toolbars. If you want to disable toolbar, click Close option. To enable toolbars, go to View menu. Other method is, right-click on any toolbar. We can change toolbar position. To restore the toolbars, go to Tools menu and select Customize. Then select Toolbars tab, and select Restore Position. All the toolbars are restored here. Next topic is sketching process. First, select necessary sketching plane or face. Second, create base curves. Next, add geometric and dimensional constraints. Then ensure your sketch is fully constrained. 1. Finally, analyze the sketch using sketch analysis. Next topic is profile tool. First, we discuss about profile toolbar. This toolbar includes drawing tools such as profile, predefined profile, circle, spline, conic, line, axis and point. Profile tool is used to create continuous lines and arcs. It also includes tangent arc and three-point arc. To open profile tool, insert menu, profile, and profile. It is also located on the profile toolbar. In the graphics window, pick the first point on origin. Draw line horizontally. Blue line indicates that line is straight 1. Use tab button to enter in length input. Enter value length 50 mm and hit enter. Then click on the screen horizontally. Next line length is 20 mm and angle is 45 degree. Next line length is 50 mm and click on screen vertically. Now connect the corner and close with start point. Now we see next exercise. Start with origin point. Draw line 100 mm horizontally. Draw remaining lines approximately. White lines indicates non-constrained geometry. Now we use constraints tool to solve this.
Double-click on Constraints tool from Constraints toolbar.
Double-click on the constraints tool is used to get dimensions multiply. Click on the line and place the dimensions. Before placing the dimension, right-click on window, it will open contextual box. This box has more related constraints. For example, horizontal measure, vertical measure. After placing all the dimensions, now double-click on each dimension to edit. Now ensure the geometry is in green color. This means geometry is fully constrained. Finally, use Sketch Analysis tool to find any errors in geometry. This tool finds the geometry is open or closed one, and also indicates any open curves are in sketch window. Next exercise for tangent arc and 3-point arc. Start with origin point. Draw line horizontally. Then select tangent arc in Sketch Tools toolbar. Click endpoint of the tangent arc. Draw horizontal line. Select 3-point arc in Sketch Tools toolbar. Click second and third point. Then give dimensions and constraints to all. White curves are not constrained. Apply horizontal constraints here. Ensure geometry is fully constrained 1. Finally, check sketch analysis. Next session will continue. Thank you.